Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to make a glass cover. This is so easy to follow and a quick project to make as well. I will be using this polyester yarn and my 3mm crochet hook. So let's get started. So to start with, we are going to make our magic circle. If you are not familiar on doing the magic circle, I have a tutorial on that one, so I will just put it on the link here on top of the video. So chain 1 to lock our magic circle, and we're going to make 12 single crochets. So once you have your 12 single crochet, you can pull the thread here to close our magic circle. And we're going to slip stitch on our first single crochet. On our second round, chain 1, and we're going to increase in every chain, so we're going to make 24 single crochets. Our chain 1 will not count as a stitch, so on the first chain we're going to make 2 single crochets, and in every chain. So that will be an increase in every chain. So now we are done with our second round. We're ready to slip stitch. On our third round, chain 1, and this time we're going to do an alternate increase all the way around. So make your 2 single crochets on the first chain. Our chain 1 won't count as a stitch, so we made an increase on our first chain. And then on the second one, we're going to make 1 single crochet. And then increase again on this next chain. For a total of 36 chains. So 1 single crochet again. And then increase. So just repeat an alternate increase until you reach the very end. So now we finish our third round. If you see your project is curling, don't worry, because as we go along, it will straighten up. So slip stitch again on the very first chain that we did. And on the next round, we're just going to make one single crochet in every chain. So chain one, and then make your single crochet in every chain or in every stitch. So you're going to make one single crochet in every chain until you reach the very end. So we are done with our fourth round. So 1, 2, 3, and fourth. And on the fifth round, on our fourth round, we made one single crochet in every chain. On the next round, we're going to make alternate one single crochet, and then 2 single crochet on the next. So chain one. Our chain one doesn't count as a stitch. On the very first chain, we're going to make one single crochet. The same thing on the next chain, one single crochet, and an increase on the third chain. So basically 1, 1, and 2. So 1, 1, and 2. So that will be our pattern for this fifth round. One single crochet in the next 2 chains, and on the third one you're going to make your increase. So finish the fifth round and I'll meet you back up. So now I am done with our fifth round, and I am happy with the size of the bottom of my glass cover, because the glass I'm going to use is this one. So this is the glass that we're going to use. So this just fits the bottom. If your glass has a bigger bottom, then you can just add another round. Alright? If you have a smaller bottom for your glass, same thing, you just make a less round. So to move up, I'll make a chain of 1 and make one single crochet in every chain, but I'm going to use the back loop. Alright? You can just zoom in. There you go. So we made our chain 1. Our chain 1 doesn't count as a stitch, and we're going to make our single crochet on the back loop only. This one. You see the little V here? So we're going to make our single crochet on this chain. Okay, so make one single crochet using our back loop, one single crochet again, then again. So this is our repeat for this round. One single crochet in every chain on the back loop only. That is the loop farther from you. Alright, again, repeat until you reach the very end. Now we reach our end, and we're going to make our slip stitch. Now you can sew your end from here, because now we're going to do the sides of our glass cover. So to move up, I am going to make a chain of 3. 1, 2, 3, and this chain 3 will count as my first double crochet. And on this very same chain, I'm going to make 1 double crochet. Chain 1, and on the same chain we're going to make 2 more double crochets. We're going to skip 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and on the 6th one we're going to make again 2 double crochets. Chain 1, and then 2 double crochet again on the same chain. So again, skip 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and on the 6th one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here is our 6th chain. Make our little fan stitch, 2 double crochets, chain 1, and then 2 doubles again on the same chain. So this will be our repeat. So just repeat around until you reach the first, the chain 3 that we made. So now we are on our last few stitches. So we're going to skip again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and on the 6th one, we're going to make our little fan, or the shell stitch if you may call it. 2 double crochets, chain 1, and then 2 doubles again on the same chain. And then we're going to skip 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and on the 3rd chain, this is the chain 3 that we made. On the 3rd chain, we're going to make our slip stitch. So this will be our repeat until you reach your desired height for your glass cover. So to move up, we're going to make our slip stitch, until we are on our chain 1 space, and then chain 3. Again, this chain 3 will serve as your first double crochet. Make 1 double crochet, chain 1, and then 2 doubles again. And on the very next chain 1 space, we're going to make again 2 double crochets, chain 1, and your 2 double crochets, all on the same chain 1 space. So this will be our repeat until, again, as I've said, until you reach the desired height for your glass cover. For the meantime, you can sew in your tail And then I'll meet you later on, and when I have a few rounds for the sides of our glass cover.